Hi, everyone. Welcome to my channel where I share tips and tricks on how to use artificial intelligence for free. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 ways to use GPT-4, the most advanced language model from OpenAI, without paying a money. GPT-4 is a huge leap from GPT 3.5, which is the language model used by ChatGPT, the most popular AI chatbot right now. GPT-4 can handle longer and more complex prompts and conversations, generate more accurate and creative responses, and even understand images. However, GPT-4 is not widely available yet, and you need to pay $20 per month to access it through ChatGPT+. But don't worry, there are some websites that let you use GPT-4 for free. Let me show you 5 of them. The first one is Poe. The URL is poe.com. Poe is a website that lets you chat with 6 different AI chatbots for free. They are Sage, GPT-4, Claude+, Claude Instant 100K, Claude Instant, and the free version of ChatGPT. Sage is a chatbot that can answer any question you have. Among them, GPT-4 is the most powerful one, but it has a daily limit of 1 uses. You can use it when you need better answers than the other chatbots. Claude+ are also very good chatbots, but they have a daily limit of 3 uses. The other 3 chatbots have no limit and you can use them anytime. The second one is Aura. The URL is ora.ai. It is a website that lets you create your own chatbot for free. It offers various types of chatbots, such as gaming, education, entertainment, business, etc., which users can browse, favorite, rate, and use. The default chatbot uses the language model of the free version of ChatGPT, which is pretty good. But if you want to use GPT-4 for free, you can do so by opening this URL. This will let you use GPT-4 for free with a limit of 5 uses per day. That's more than Poe. You can use GPT-4 when you need more advanced features like image understanding or creative writing. The third one is Forefront Chat. The URL is chat.forefront.ai. Forefront Chat is a website that lets you directly chat with 4 different AI chatbots. They are GPT 3.5, GPT-4, Claude Instant, and Claude+. Each language model has its own features, and users can choose different language models according to their needs. The best thing about Forefront Chat is that it gives you a lot of options to customize your chat experience, such as active persona, have helpful assistant, marketing manager, software engineer, financial analyst, etc. You can choose a persona or create your own persona. You can also ask for feedback or suggestions from the chatbot. Among the 4 chatbots, GPT-4 is the best one, but it has a limit of 5 uses every 3 hours. You can use it when you want more accurate and creative responses. Claude+ is also very good, but it has the same limit as GPT-4. GPT 3.5 and Claude Instant have no limit and you can use them anytime. The fourth one is Perplexity AI. The URL is www.perplexity.ai. Perplexity AI is a website that lets you use GPT-4 for free after registration. Perplexity AI gives you an option to choose the scope of your search. You can select from general knowledge, specific domains, or custom sources. Include academic, writing, Wolfram Alpha, YouTube, Reddit, and Wikipedia. This can help you get better results depending on your query. Perplexity AI also provides some popular questions that you can ask GPT-4 with just one click. For example, you can ask about the weather, the news, or the meaning of life. The GPT-4 language model can be used 5 times for free every 4 hours on Perplexity AI. The fifth one is Bing. The URL is www.bing.com. Bing is Microsoft's search engine that recently added a ChatGPT-like feature called Bing Chat. You only need to open the Bing search first, and then click the chat button above to open the GPT-4-based dialogue interface. Bing Chat is completely free and uses the GPT-4 language model, which is the same one that powers Copilot, a code generation tool. Bing Chat lets you choose from 3 conversation modes. They are more creative, more balanced, and more precise. You can choose different modes depending on your needs. For example, if you want to write a poem, you can choose more creative. If you want to get factual information, you can choose more precise. More balanced is good for answering a variety of common questions, and you can always try 3 different conversation styles for free. The best part of Bing Chat is its deep integration with the Edge browser that comes with the Windows system. You can open the sidebar and use Bing Chat directly. And using the sidebar Bing Chat, you can directly answer the content on the currently opened web page, or translate and summarize the content of the page. The Bing sidebar also provides a separate writing function. The tone, format, and length of the writing can be individually set. Just enter your requirements and click the button below to directly generate the required articles. So these are the 5 ways you can use GPT-4 for free. In general, Bing Chat may be the best choice among free AI chatbots. But if you can't get a satisfactory answer through Bing Chat, you can try the free AI chatbots from the other 4 websites. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more AI-related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.